have Sweet Cash Flores. Today I'm going to be showing you my rabbits. It's a let's go on our e-venture. So here's my rabbits right here. Oh my god. They just knocked down their food. Are you crazy, new rabbit? The new rabbit, I will have a new name for it. So comment down below and see which name I should name it. I really should not have to pet the brand new baby chickens, but okay, that works for me. Hey, little, get back here. Oh, my hand's in there for no reason. Now I thought I was going to be stuck in there. So let me put my other hand in there and see if she'll bite it. So far, no, she's not biting it. But my dad put little staplers so it could stay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, guess what, Dad? It your plan didn't work. Look, I'm petting my dogs, or my brand new rabbit. Now I have two of them. I just petted one, and so what even matters? I just petted one, so because I really wanted to pet one, but so yeah. And I forgot to show you the chickens. Now let me go show you them. Run, dun, 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 dun. Run, run. So here they are in the cage. I forgot to close it. Dang it. Well, yeah, I think I can pet the other one. Oh shoot. Oh, I think she just learned her jumping skills. Look, I'm petting her. Dun, 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 dun. I think I'm petting the old rabbit. I'm petting the. Am I petting the old one? And here's a brand new baby chicken. But I don't know if I'm petting the old one or not. Well, I'm going to show you the chickens around my backyard. So these are some of my good chickens. Right there, those are my good chickens. And these are the baby chickens. These are the brand new. There's the brand new rabbit with the stupid rabbit. Like my dad always calls. And the other chickens. And this one. God dang. Why are the chickens that I just showed you? They always fight. God dang. Why do they even fight? And so go to this video for now. Peace.